Hey, this is ShawNshawN from the artist behind ShawNshawN.co. Today we're going to do a painting on Antelope Canyons again. It was a popular theme, so I think I'll give it another go. See you guys inside, getting used to this camera. Alright, so the question of the day is, how were the Antelope Canyons formed? Okay, we're about ready to do the colors here. Ultramarine blue, Quin blue, red oxide, permanent red, pearly red dark, Quin red, primary yellow, carbon black, pearly red dark. No, we had that already. Titanium white. So sand is very, you know, it's obviously caused, there was originally kind of a sea there, and then all this sand settled and became stone over time as it became more desert from originally, I think it was some kind of forest in that area, you know, about 1 million years ago. And so as it turned to desert, that sand just got pacted into sand. So these flash floods that come in, you know, it can be as little as, you know, a couple inches upstream, and they'll literally flood the canyons really fast because they're really tight and narrow. And so it's kind of a danger, and tourists have actually died in this site, sadly enough. I think in 2007 was the last occurrence, so it's been about 10 years. So, you know, nowadays they have a warning system, so it's a little safer. But yeah, you can only get there by Navajo guide, and it's on Navajo tribal territory, which is good and bad. I mean, the bad is there's no signage, so you almost pass by. It's just like a little tiny sign on the side of the road, so you're like, oh. So you literally have no guidance how to get there. It's just kind of a blip in the road. Nowadays, probably with Google Maps, it's not so bad. Another issue is, you know, as it's run by the Navajo, they're going to charge excessive rates. I think when I went there, maybe it was $30 or something. And, you know, if you go to the Grand Canyon, it's like maybe $12 to get in. A little bit of a price difference there, right? But anyway, it's a really great site. You got to see it. It's right next to Grand Canyon on the way to Page. So hope you guys like it. All right, we just finished the painting. So let's take a close look here. I'll zoom in here, if I can figure it out. So this is with the new camera, not exactly used to it yet. So it has really nice, I like the canyons. You got these highlights with the blues. I'm not exactly sure if that's the right color. They did have some really strange blues in there. Other scenes I've seen of the antelopes, it's just pure browns, whites. My last painting I actually had to add a blue, which wasn't there, but I really needed the contrast. This photo I'm working from already had some blue highlights, which I kind of find weird, but if you've seen canyons before, they do have these blue, light purple in the shadows, which is really interesting. You wouldn't think so. You would think it's kind of maybe a dark brown, which it is in some cases, but in some cases it is kind of a light blue, which is really interesting how the light works. As it's going away from you, it kind of turns blue. But anyway, hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.